Welcome to Woodland's Maths videos, and today we're going to do chain rule for differentiation. Here's a wee example I've got for you, and you notice that you've got quite a high power here, so you're not going to be asked to write this out 4 times, burst out your brackets and then differentiate. So what we can do is we can differentiate this using the chain rule. Now the chain that we're going to use I always view as it's got 2 links to it. Excuse my dodgy chain drawing. And all I'm doing here is the first thing I'm going to differentiate is my bracket. So that's the basic differentiation. Bring the power in front of the bracket and lose one off the power. The second stage, so here's chain 1, chain 2, I'm going to multiply it by inside the bracket differentiated, and that gives us 7. 7x plus 5 differentiated leaves me with 7. I can tidy that up, and that gives me 28 at the front to a power 3. And all we do, we keep the bracket part inside the same. There's your first example on chain rule. A second example for you. What are we going to do this time? Well, we can't differentiate in this format. So what we need to do, I need to put what's inside the square root. And remember, the square root of something is the same to the power a half. I can now differentiate that. Same process as before. 2 steps. First step is differentiate the bracket. Second step is I multiply it by inside the bracket differentiated. I'm then going to tidy that up. A half of my 6x is 3x. My power stays the same. And then I can just put back in what I had in my original bracket. And you can always transfer that back into square root form if you wish. Final one, right at the bottom, question 3. I can't differentiate because x is on the denominator. I would need to tidy that up to make it 7x plus 5 to the minus 4. And then I would go ahead and differentiate it with the chain rule that I've used already. There's a wee introduction to the chain rule. Hope it helps. All done.